free shampoo service. Just don't forget to tip your furry stylist.
Eddie, what are you doing?
When the dog only wants to play, but accidentally invents a brand new dance move. If you don't act fast, the cat will finish the whole thing before you can even say, "Wait!" When the cat only wants to explore, but accidentally becomes a creative artist of destruction. This is how the dog draws a perfect circle. No pen required.
Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious.
A high-energy relationship that demands audience approval. The rhythm of the cardboard box. Innovative, spontaneous, and completely unpredictable. Don't forget, I'm the VIP diner in this house, says the cat.
Wait.
No fresh apple is safe when this dog is around. It simply can't resist.
Get some. Ow. Ow.
This tug-of-war match will surely end in mutual victory and a very destroyed toy. This dog definitely has a massive fan base because its comedic timing is chef's kiss. When you ring the doorbell but get no answer, this is what it feels like to be a failed delivery guy. The cat is definitely a unique guest demanding top-tier service at all times. This hat is going to be the next big trend, and the cat is the genius designer behind it.
Oh my god.
Drop it. Tell him, Kayla. Kayla.
This looks like a planned assault, a military operation, sheep style. Like a doggy DJ dropping the hottest track, this bark is melting every canine heart. Anyone looking to take this stick better, have a permit from the ranger dog. It's not going to be easy. The cat is clearly planning to open a laundry school for the next generation of felines. This must be how dogs and cats settle the question of who rules the house.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought
Is the pup feeling like it's in a luxury spa day? Sure looks like it. The dog's passion for food is so intense it forgets about personal space.
Fucking crackhead.
This adorable scene proves that friendship between dogs is truly magical. Impeccable reflexes, but wow, that was a bit dramatic. It looks like they're plotting a daring baby rescue while analyzing the level of difficulty like pros.
Buddy.
When you're entrusted with the key but refuse to share it with anyone, job well done. This playful wrestle feels like an unfair fight, but the tiny dog is clearly partying hard.
Close the door. Go close the door. Good girl, Sadie.
It's like two dogs are racing and the piglet is the ultimate obstacle they just can't dodge.
Because those stretch receivers that are running the verticals down the field.
When you want to go trick-or-treating for Halloween, but end up starring in an action movie at home, the cat is probably wondering why there's a pig trying to join its games. A tale of tiny cat courage and the big-hearted patience of the dog. Relaxation is priority number one. Everything else can wait.
How dare you?
Who needs Valentine's Day? Love is already in the air right now.
Dale una púa to Cora and one for Ruby. Oh my God, Eva, you saw that?
A heartfelt reunion interrupted by a glass door, but the love still shines through. This is the cat's routine dental exam. Sharp teeth, 10 out of 10, ready for action. The cat must have found the secret recipe to turn the kitchen into its ultimate playground.
Ayun. Ayun. Ayun.
24/7 protection service here. My mission is to keep you safe, even from the dangers of the cat.